Hello everyone, this is your tutor from the Made Easy Biotechnology Education channel. Please must subscribe, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see some trick to remember the type of amino acid based on the classification. So first type of amino acid on the basis of classification is non-polar aliphatic R group amino acid. The trick to remember this classification of amino acid is Gowli PMFW. Gowli, here we can explain Gowli as G for glycine, A for alanine, and V for valine, L for leucine, and I for isoleucine, P for proline, and M for methionine, and F for phenylalanine, and W for tryptophan. W is equal to tryptophan because we represent the tryptophan with this letter capital W. So this is a very easy trick to remember the non-polar aliphatic R group amino acid. So Gowli PMFW is the trick to remember the non-polar aliphatic R group amino acid. The second category of the amino acid includes polar uncharged amino acid. The trick to remember this is STCNQY. S means serine, T means threonine, C for cysteine, N means asparagine, Q for glutamine, Y for tyrosine. These are the symbols which are used to represent the amino acid based on their letters to which we represent it. So STCNQY is the trick to remember the polar uncharged amino acid. Now we will see the third category of the amino acid, that is positively charged R group amino acid. The trick to remember this is HRK. Generally we said Shahrukh Khan as SRK. So you can easily remember the amino acid belonging to the positively charged R group as HRK. H means histidine, R means arginine, K means lysine. Now the fourth category is a negatively charged R group. The trick to remember this is AG. A means aspartate and G means glutamate. The fifth category to remember the category of the amino acid is aliphatic amino acid. The trick goes to Gowli because here the Gowli is also the amino acid which belongs to the aliphatic group of amino acid. G for glycine, A for alanine, V for valine, L for leucine and I for isoleucine. Now we will see the aromatic amino acid. To remember the aromatic amino acid, we can remember aromatic amino acid through a trick wife. Generally in WhatsApp we write the wife as WYF, where W stands for tryptophan, Y means tyrosine and F means phenylalanine. Now the seventh category is essential amino acid. So to remember the essential amino acid, we have a trick VIP Hall में TT. It means V stands for valine, I for isoleucine, P for phenylalanine, H for histidine, A for alanine, L for leucine and L for lysine. Me means methionine, T means threonine and T means tryptophan. I hope you will remember the essential amino acid through the trick VIP Hall में TT. Now we will see the eighth category of the amino acid, which is a semi-essential amino acid. The trick to remember it is RH. R means arginine, H means histidine. So RH is the trick to remember the semi-essential amino acid. Heterocyclic amino acid. The trick to remember the heterocyclic amino acid is PH, where P means proline and H means histidine. So proline and histidine are the heterocyclic amino acid. Now we will see the acidic amino acid. The amino acid which belongs to the acidic group is DE. It means D represents the aspartate amino acid and E represents the glutamate amino acid. So DE, you can remember day as the acidic amino acid. After that you will learn that D represents aspartate and E represents glutamate. Now we will see the basic amino acid. Basic amino acid trick is also too much simple as that of positively charged amino acid. So basic amino acid is HRK, means histidine, arginine and lysine. So histidine, arginine and lysine are the amino acid which have a basic group and they are known as basic amino acid. Now the 12th category of the amino acid is a sulfur containing amino acid. So this is very important question which will be asked in every year, and also it had been asked in previous year questions too. So you have to focus over here that the amino acid which contain the sulfur group is a CM. C means cysteine, M means methionine. So cysteine and methionine are only two amino acid which contain the sulfur group. Very important for your exam. फिर after that we will see the last category of the amino acid which contain the alcohol group. So the amino acid which contains the alcohol group are, trick to remember this is, we can say that alcohol are serious threatening substance. As we all know that alcohol is a serious threatening causing substance, so we can remember the amino acid through this. So alcohol containing amino acid is serine and threonine. सीरीन, सीरियस से सीरीन हो गया हमारा और थ्रीटेनिंग से हमारा थ्रियोनिन हो गया. सो सीरीन एंड थ्रियोनिन आर दी टू एमिनो एसिड विच कंटेन द अल्कोहल ग्रुप. नाउ वी विल सी सम star point of amino acid, that which amino acid contains the amino group and this amide group. So amino group containing amino acid is proline, which is very easy to remember, and the amide group containing amino acid is NQ, means asparagine and glutamate are the two amino acid which contain the amide group. I hope you will remember every amino acid with the help of trick. If you have any doubt, then you can put your doubt in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.